Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Just now I'm just about to go into the Mandalay Bay Hotel and I'll give you a wee tour. So let's go. And it's got quite a grand entrance. I really like this one. Mandalay Bay. Let's do this. Let's have a wee walk about and see what we can find. Now, I haven't been in here yet. I have no idea what to expect. Haven't looked up, there's nothing, so I don't know. All I know is it looks really nice outside. Well, this is kind of nice. Nice to enter it. It's some size. Every hotel is just massive. It's amazing. This is my last hotel review. Well, not review, but walking tour. Done quite a few. Done the Luxor where I'm staying, the Bellagio, Paris, and what's the other one? The Venetian. The Venetian in Paris, so you've got to check them out. The Bellagio is a three-parter, and it's well worth watching to get to the fountain show. It's a very famous water display. It's like a fireworks display but with water, is the way I would describe it. Anyway, yeah. In the entrance. There we go. I don't know. Beach. I'll take a wee quick look. That's a pretty cool wee fountain. I don't think I'll be able to go in. I'll take a wee walk around and see. See if I can take over. Nah. It's a scorcher of a day. It must be about 8 AM or something. It's absolutely scorching. I'll be sad to leave Vegas, but that's the last day. And I'll be leaving in a couple of hours, but I won't miss the heat. It's very hot. I don't know people can live in this weather, and this is September, so it's not even the hottest time to go. And the next place we're going to is San Francisco, so if you want to see San Francisco, you can check that out. Then after San Francisco, it's New York, so a lot to do, so let's go, we'll see. It's a shame I can't just pop in and have a wee look at the rooms, but it is what it is. But you can check out my video of the Luxor. I've done a couple of videos of the room, just trying to find my feet, filming things, so I did a couple of versions of the room. I don't know if I'll put them all up, but they are there. I decided to try a bit of editing, so I thought I'll give myself options, so I filmed hundreds of versions of it. Not hundreds, but 5 different versions. So see, I quite like doing these wee videos, finding in the hotels and seeing what's there. Look at that, that's really nice chandelier. I don't know if you call that a chandelier, it's weird, but I like it. I love this wee design, I think it's really nice. And Michael Jackson's playing here, the Cirque du Soleil. Oh, there's a car, is that? One a car. Paradiso. Right. One a Range Rover. Pretty cool. It's a House of Blues. I think this is where Santana's playing. I could be wrong there. So you go to a lot of places and they're advertising Accent, aye, it is, aye. Aye. Aye, House of Blues. That would have been good, I'd have liked to have done that. House of Blues. I'm looking for something for my breakfast. I was going to try and get it in here if there was anything that I fancied. I don't know if there's much else to see. Oh, the shops at Mandalay Place. This is what I'm looking for. House of Blues restaurant. Now, I think where I'm going, I've actually been at the other side. Is this the shops? Okay. I'm at 12 minutes, so I'm going to end the video here. If you want to see the second part, I'll do a second part and I'll show you the shops there. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. It would really help the channel out. Thank you. Bye-bye.